This review is of Kitchen Basics, no salt added vegetable cooking stock. Fond de légumes, sans sal ajouté. I don't know really how to say that word. What is this? Tastes like homemade. Ooh. And no MSG added, gluten-free, no artificial colors or flavors, ready to use. Man. Here is the blurb. Other flavors. We test allergen watch. This product is gluten-free and has no MSG, which they already told us. Here is a recipe for vegetarian bean chili. Ooh, yum. And that, product of Canada, McCormick. Oh, wow. McCormick is a famous brand. 1 cup has got no fat, no cholesterol, it's got 5 grams of carbohydrates, of which 4 are sugars, 1 gram of protein, 170 milligrams of sodium. It's also got potassium. And the ingredients. Sorry, but I need to ask for your help. On December 11th, 2024, Amazon fired me based on false accusations against me. And on December 17th, I had to have my insurance cover, or help to cover, I'm not sure if I'm going to have to pay anything, my left shoulder replacement that happened as a result of a work injury that Amazon refused to take responsibility for, even though management did things that helped to cause it to happen. So I, in a kind of a financial pickle. If you can help me out by liking, subscribing, sharing, commenting, and turning on notifications, that would be great. And if you want to help me financially and you can afford to, you can do a super thanks on my channel. You can do become a member on my channel, or you can go to patreon.com/GLENNMII and become a member there. Thanks. So let's find out what it tastes like. Hopefully it's yummy. McCormick is generally good quality and not cheap. But this is their Kitchen Basics, so okay. That definitely has a very carroty flavor. Different than other vegetable stock that I've tried. So it's sweet, not salty. I mean, not like very, very sweet, but you can definitely tell there are a lot of carrots in it. So it's good. It's different. At least it's got flavor. And I will give this 7.5. Afia, thanks for watching, and I hope you have a great day.